Now family, we are right back here. About 17 minutes has elapsed, that's gone. And it's still simmering, as you can see. And this is what we have. Everything has been gelled together. What you need to do at this point is to remove the thyme. Okay, y'all? This is the only thing you need to remove at this point. The thyme. It's gonna be a bit unbugging inside here. So we need to remove the thyme. Now, we have right here a tin of corned beef, and it is the low sodium one, because you know some of them tend to be really salt, so we have the reduced salt one. So if you can find that one, as opposed to the regular one, if you don't want to, fine. But for me, I like to go low upon the salt, you know, I like to go low. So you know the proper way to do your tin things is to remove the label, then you wash, dry, and then you proceed to cut it. Now it has this little key and it has this little thing here, so you got to be really careful. So you put it like this, and they're making them so skimpy nowadays, and you follow, there's a line, so you follow the line and you cut. Take your time. There is this line here, so you follow the line as you go along. Okay, so we can cut it over the pot in case any drippings, because you know it has the grease that they tin it with. So you take your time and follow the line until you reach back where you started. Then you're going to proceed to get it from the tin with a knife or a fork or something. So now we get out our corned beef, and you know as usual they come with some fat and all of that inside of them. So but this is the only fat is gonna be in the only grease is gonna be in the dish. We don't have any inside the stew. So flame is gonna be up, so we're gonna mash our corned beef right here and now. We're gonna mash it with our fork or whatever you have, and we are gonna incorporate it inside this little stew here. We have another piece of thyme. We're gonna remove it. You don't want to get it too high now. So we're gonna mash it and we're gonna get it incorporated. Easy, easy midweek dinner. So we mash it and we incorporate it, and look at it. Look at it, y'all. Corned beef or bully beef stew piece. Okay, and this can serve a family of 5, or some people don't eat a lot. It can go for 6 of you. I'm telling you all. Okay, so convenient, so efficient, so so you know, low cost or whatever. It's low. It's not a lot, and it goes a long way. So we're gonna notch our flame up, because you know the corned beef is properly cooked before it was thin. So we just want the heat to get going inside this thing here. So we have we eat going in there. So this won't take any long time, you know. You just want the heat to go right through the corned beef, because the stew has been properly cooked and all the little flavor them nice up in it and all of that. So this is what is happening, and you tell me. I'm gonna taste for you all. You tell me in the comments below what you think about this corned beef / bully beef stew piece. I want to taste some, but it is really hot. So nice. The salt perfection is good, because I use the low sodium corned beef, and this is it right there. And we're gonna plate it up, and look what I have over here. But you know, stew peas is a must. White rice. Okay, y'all, we have some plantain fried off. And please, when you're frying plantain to serve y'all to big people, it's not baby, it's not dolly house we playing. You're gonna slice your plantain, let they look, you know, and the diagonal, let they come presentable. And we're coming right over here, and we're gonna, as I told you, you know, when it's stew peas, you must dish up the stew peas with some class. You're gonna put your stew peas. See, we have the corned beef, we have the peas, we have the spinach, we have the carrots, and all of that in the bowl right there. There you have it. From my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your kitchen, to your family table, to your palate, to your stomach. It's corned beef stew peas. Okay, you all enjoy. And you know I'm going to eat a little food now. Oh, no, know I'm going to do that. Okay? Because this is like one of my little easy dinner, quick easy dinner, and I love it. I love it. It's easy to prepare and all of that. Okay? So you see what me doing? Yeah. May I take my little rice, may I put it in my little something. So this is for you all. You know that. Please enjoy. And if you have liked this corned beef stew peas video, please give it a thumbs up. Continue to share. Subscribe. Leave your comments below as I see you're all doing. Okay? And thank you so much. Thank you for your continued support, your continued subscribing and sharing. I've seen that you're all doing that. Thank you so much. Now you know it's time for me to do the special. Yours truly, I've got to do this. Only thing I want a little more pepper, I look over this, but I don't see none. Oh. So my peanuts here, and my bully beef, I taste it with my peel. Remember to up on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs and subscribe, share, leave your comments below. Please, all you who have subscribed, keep your notifications on. Keep your notifications on. You'll never know what is coming. Hey y'all, Debbie from Donga Yard once more. Bully beef / corned beef stew peas. Boop.